Hello, everybody. I hope that you all had a great week by the grace of God. I can't wait to see you guys Sunday. We're going to continue our teaching on fasting in preparation to our 40-day fast that is coming up, that will begin on the 5th of June. Specifically, we're going to talk about the spiritual impact of fasting, how it changes your life as you fast. And we're going to continue with our 7 Sundays of communion. And Sunday, we're going to take communion, not for ourselves, but for our nation. As you can tell, I'm already dressed with the Haitian flag because the 18th of May is Flags Day. So Sunday, God willing, we're going to be praying for the nation of Haiti. We believe that that nation carries a great destiny, and God's plans and purposes will manifest in that nation. So we encourage you Sunday, do not come with yourself, come with a friend, come with a family member, and we're going to stand together in prayer for this nation called Haiti, which is already, we declare by faith, is already a blessing to the nations. God bless you. I'll see you on Sunday. We're going to have a great time. Bye-bye.